Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to check photos shared with you on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to check the photos shared with you on iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. For this, first you have to open your phone settings to check that your system is up to date. For this, you have to go to General and then select software update, and here you have to make sure that your system has been up to date of almost 18.4 or 5 or newer version of iOS. So after doing the step, just go back and here open the Photos app just like this. Here you can see his all photos. Here you have the icon just like this. You just have to tap on it and then select filters, and filters, here's a new feature which is shared with you. You just have to tap on it and then it will filter all photos. As you can see, I have no any photo that anyone shared with me, so you can check your shared photos just like this. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.